Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to use bass clean feature for your speaker SOUNDCORE Boom 3i. You have to start by open SOUNDCORE application, and of course your speaker should be connected with the app. Then tap at your speaker. Now scroll down, and at the last line we have bass clean. What this mod do? It vibrates to shake off sand or dust from your speaker. Now, to enable it, you need to tap one time at the slider near to it if the slider have empty background, and it will turn off automatically when it finish to clean your speaker. So let's do this, and it worked. So we need to wait a bit. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.